In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal from balance instead of credit card. If you've ever noticed PayPal charging your card even when you have funds available, this quick setup will make your balance the default for online payments and save you the hassle. Start by opening PayPal and heading to your wallet. This is the section where all your funding sources live: your balance, linked bank accounts, and cards. If you're on a computer, you'll usually see Wallet in the top navigation. On a phone or tablet, it may appear in the main menu. Once you're in Wallet, take a moment to confirm you can see your available balance. That tells you PayPal recognizes funds you can use. Look for the area that says Preferred when paying online. This setting determines what PayPal uses first whenever you check out on websites. Selecting the right preference here ensures you won't need to manually switch funding sources every time. Click Change. This opens a simple list of available payment options tied to your account. You may see your balance, one or more cards, and possibly bank accounts, depending on what you've linked. Choose PayPal Balance. This tells PayPal to try your balance first whenever you pay online. It's especially handy if you receive refunds, payouts, or transfers and want those funds to be used before your card or bank. Keep in mind, if your balance isn't enough to cover a full purchase, PayPal may automatically use your backup method for the remainder, depending on your country and account setup. Click Confirm to save the change. You should see a confirmation message or a visual indicator showing that PayPal Balance is now your preferred way to pay online. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page and check the preference again. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. The wording and layout can vary slightly by region and account type, but the structure is the same. Go to Wallet, find the online payment preference, switch it to PayPal Balance, and confirm. For subscriptions or billing agreements, some merchants may use the funding method set when you first approve them. You can usually adjust that from the same wallet area if needed. Also, if you shop in different currencies, your effective balance might be limited to the currency available in your account. And remember, you can always override the default at checkout for a one-time purchase if you prefer to use a card. That's it. Your PayPal balance is now set as the default for online payments, and you're ready to check out with your balance first.